discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Oh, nice. LEDs you can see inside. So what's your name real quick and what's in here?
Robert Henson with Team Hurts Feelings. Two Sundown Audio ZV6, a 6-door B-pillar wall. Wood roof on a 12K half home right now. It's Terrence 12K. Going to go to Assault 8 or Assault 12 probably in a couple months to a year.
Okay.
90 amp hour lithium, C-Max from King Lithium, and Brindex 250 amp alt. It's tuned 23 in the front and 38 in the rear. It's like 8 cubes in the bottom, I think 6 on top.
So it gets low.
It plays from like 18 up to 60 hertz.
Wow, that's good bandwidth. Are you happy with it?
Yeah, I'm gonna play with the front tuning a little bit more and see if I can get it to play a little lower. I want to get down to like 15s.
Oh, you want to play in the mid-teens? Okay, nice. Any SPL tests?
Last I tested when I first got up, they did a 48.7 at 20.
On 12s. That's the low cone area.
I'm gonna pull one of them out.
Yeah.
So I think I'm gonna pull them out and inspect to make sure the cells are good. Because they're 3 years old.
Yeah. Wow. Nice. You like low frequencies now, man. Yeah. Teens is more than lows though, because when you hit lows, they think 20s. You're living dangerous, but I think it's just the box, the way that back tuning is loading off of it really well.
I think another thing is I think the rear port's a little too small. It's only like 30, 40 square inches, and this one's like 21 square inches. So I'm gonna shrink this one down 3/4 inch all the way around just to see if I can.
Man, you even low lows just by that. It'll help load it better.
That's what I'm hoping for.
Yes, sir. Sweet. Is there a way I can see the amp real quick?
Well, you can
just look behind.
I got the JP84 on the mids.
Pull up or?
JP84.
Oh, okay. Got it. Yep. Sounded good. Wow. And you got this that slid in? Did it?
No, it slides in. Yeah.
Slides in. Okay. And then you sealed it off.
Yep.
Got it. How many cubes is the top and bottom chambers, if you know?
8 cubes and 6.
Okay.
It's a little big, but
yeah. And you're gonna keep the same box and just change power?
I'm just gonna change power
and this.
play with the core tuning.
Got it. Yeah. Awesome. Good to see you again, Robert. All right, yeah, man, I'd love to hear it. They set this down louder? Okay.
What up, Bass fans? Billy E, back again with the official IDBL Max CB3 test CD. We designed this to be the best.
pretty low frequency. You got one more for me?
All you different crews, niggas really kicking toes. Get down in a pizza tube. Spiritual hero who appears to get the king of you. You're too lazy. Life is the definition for what life is. Priceless. Righteous with one talk beside the one, no possession with one. I'm feeling glad I got sunshine.
Nice, man. I like it. And these are only the X's.
The CV6s.
Oh, so you okay? You
I
changed
went
them.
for the XV2s. The CV6s.
Okay, got it. I thought, got it.
That's why I
Wow.
need more power.
Yeah, I was trying to figure out, man, they're putting a lot of power. Okay, that makes more sense now. Got it. And your voltage is good.
Yeah, it's staying pretty good. So I'm gonna pull one of them out.
Yeah.
So I think I'm gonna pull them out and inspect to make sure the cells are good. Because they're 3 years old.
Yeah. Wow.
Use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.